Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Rahim. Welcome to my YouTube channel UiPath Automation. So today we will learn, you can see today task. So first we are using how can we use substring in string manipulation VB.NET, and second how can we use left right function in string manipulation, and third one how can we use insert function in string manipulation, and fourth one is how can we use index of method in string manipulation. So this is today task. So let's start. How can we do that thing? We are use this substring and get the length of the text, so like that we can do that. So you can see here I am already make a program. So how can we do that? So simply what I am doing, I am just comment both of the program, both of the activity. So here what we are doing, we are taking assign activity. In that assign we are create a variable name is text and type is string, and in that we are store the value is this file name is UiPath, and this is the file name. So we are using the substring to get the length of this and get the output of only number using the substring. So how can we do that? So simply for that case, we are doing, we are taking assign activity. In that assign we are create a variable name is we are using a create a variable. You can provide any name of the variable, but I am provide the name of the full name number length. So I'm just control V. So how can we do that? Simply we are provide the string value. So our variable name is text dot use the substring, and inside what we are doing, we are provide the text dot length and OK, and show the output into the length. So just run it, and okay, okay, we are not found the length of the text. Okay, in that case what we are doing, we are get the output of the number. So how can we do that? So you can see here, if we are using the substring, so how many number available on here. So you can see we have the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. So we have this number is start from the this number is start from the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. We can count again 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. It's start from the 16. So in that case what we are doing, we are start from the background. For that case what we are using, we are using the minus sign to count the total length and minus from the back length. So we are coming from the 13. So what we are doing, we are just open it, and here we are providing minus 13. So if we are providing minus 13, then save it, run it, and check the what output we will get it after. Okay, so after providing the 13, what we are getting, we are getting the 8 9 7 4 5 6. So we need to extract the only number. So for that case what we are doing, we are just open it, and here we are using dot split, and we are split from the dot, and I put C, and then here we need to, because if we are split from the dot, then we are get the zero index available into the number, and second index we are available into the PDF. So what we are just and zero and click OK and save it and run it. So you can get the output of the your results. So you can see here we get the output of the our number using the substring. So next one, what is the next task? Next task is how can we use left right function. So for that case you can see here I'm already made a program for left right using the left right function. So what I'm doing, I'm just select from the start node and open that, and in that case what we are using, and just comment out all the functionality. Control D, and here I'm also command this, also command this one also command. So you can see here we take a assign activity, and in that assign we are store a value is hello welcome world. So how can we use the left? So simply we are taking another assign activity, in that assign we are create a output variable, and in that output what we are doing, we are provide the left. In that bracket you can see here it's already told us provide a variable as a string and then length. So we need to pass the text is our variable, and we need to read the from the left side. So I'm just provide the 5. So you can see here if we are run that program, then we are get the value of the hello, because it's from it is start from the left. So now what we are doing, we are take another assign activity, and in that assign what we are doing, simply we are use the right and then pass the variable text and comma and 5, then he's provide the value of the from the right. So you can see here you get the value from the right is world, because I'm provide on the 5, that's why he is provide the ORLD. But if I am but if I am past the here 6, then it show me to the world. You can see here. Okay, so in that case what, one second, I'm just stop. And third I'm using the function is we are using the output, and in that case what we are using the substring. So in that substring if we are using to the text dot substring 5 to 9, so it's provide me the result of the which is start from the 5 and till the 9. So you can see here we count the number is 0 1 2 3 4 5. So we'll start, well, from the start is the 5, and if we are count the 5 1 5 6 7 8 9, then we can count the start from the 5, and we are count the how many So I'm just show you the result of this. If we are using the output dot substring dot 529, then we are just run it and check the output. So you can see here we get the output welcome. Why we are get the output of welcome? Because welcome is start from the 5 and end from the 9 and till the 9. So you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and where the 5 6 7 8 9. That's why it's provided the output is the welcome. So next case what we are doing, we are just delete this message box and enable this. So here what I am doing, I am use a substring and we are get the 0 under 0 to 5 value from the left. So how can, what result we are getting if we are using like this method? So you can see we are get the h. Why we are get the h? Okay, so I'm just put the answer, because you can see here we inside of the column what we are doing, we are use the text dot substring and we are count the substring value is 0 to 5. So we are available 0 to 5 is hello, and then we are provide the left and we are get the index left and we are get the output of the one index. So that's why we are get the h. Okay, then we are delete this. Same thing we are doing for the right. So here we are also provide the, they are provide the output of the right from the right, and we are provide the index is 0 to 5, then we are 0 to 5 we are available into the this one 0 to 5, and we are get the 0 1 0 1 2 3 4 5. So we are get the output of the word 0 to 5, but I am provide the index of the right is 1, then they are providing the this mark value output this mark. So how can, I'm just running this. You can see here we get the output is O, because we are using the right. So it's start from the O O W L D N mark. That's why they are providing the answer. So next one what we are doing next is how can we use insert function in string. So I'm just going into the insert function, just delete this node and go into the insert function and select the node. What we are, what the work insert function is doing, the insert function is string class will insert a string in a specific index in the string instance. Okay, that's the mean, and we are get the output text. So how can we use this thing? So you can see here we have a value is hello world UiPath in the text variable. So what we are doing, we are take the, we are count the length of the this text variable. So I'm just create a take a another assign activity, in that assign I'm create a length output, and in that second we are using the text dot length, then we are get the length of this text. Then what we are doing in that case, insert, basically we can use to insert any string value between of the input value. So you can see here we are use the text dot insert and we are provide the 5. I'm just show you from the here. I'm just provide the text dot insert, and here you can see we are provide the index as an integer and then value. Okay, so you can see here we have the input is hello welcome UiPath. So we need to add my input value after the hello. So how can we insert my input value? So you can count the index of 0 1 2 3 4. So we have the 4, then we will start from the 5. So how can we do that? Simply we are using the text dot insert. In that insert we are using the 5 and then comma and double quotation and provide the your value. So I am just provide my name MOH space Rahim, and then I'm take another space, and before also I'm providing space and OK. So here till here I'm just running this. So you can see firstly we are get the output of the length, and then we are get the output of hello Muhammad Rahim, because I am provide the insert value after 5 index. That's why they are providing the output. Okay. Okay. And in here also I am using the length output, because here you want to insert the value after your length. So what I am doing, I am just to use a text. What I am doing, because my length is available into the length output variable. So what we are doing, we are take the text dot insert, and here we are provide the our length. Okay, because our length is stored into the length output variable. So we are pass the provide the okay. Just do this because I'm doing some wrong. I'm just put here comma and okay and run it. Get the output of the length is 21, then get the output of the between we are provide the index, and then after index we are provide insert the R value, and here you can see we are left the all the index, and after index we are provide the after length we are provide the R string. So this is the done. So our last one is how can we use index of method in string index of method. So for that case I'm just delete this and index this now. So what the meaning of index of? The index of method is string class return the index of the first occurrence of the specific substring. Okay, so you can see here we have a file, we have a variable name is text, and in that text what we are doing, we have the value of the file and we are provide the name of the file name. So how can we use this substring system? Simply we are providing system dot string dot index and string, and we are provide the variable name as integer. So how can we do that? So simply you can see here we are count the index where RT is available, because basically we need to get the position of the RT where R from where RT starts, the start point of the RT. So I'm just what I'm doing, I'm just provide the text dot index of, and that you can see provide the, because we need to get the of the RT. Okay, okay, I'm doing some mistake. Okay, so because we got the, then we need to the convert into the string. So just run it. If we are run it, then we are get the output of the where RT is available. So you can see here RT start from the 9. We get the output of the starting point of that index. So I'm just stop that and we'll count the, so here you can see we count the index of the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So R start from the 9. So we are get the output of, we get the in output of the index, like R, basically we get the output of the R index. In that case we can check the our R is start from the which index, so that's why we are using the index of. So after that what we are doing, we get the output of the index, and then we are using the substring. In that case what we are doing, we are using the substring and get the output of the file name, only file name, no need to the dot txt, we need to the only file name, not with the extension, we no need to the extension. So how can we do that? And simply we are, what we are using, we are using the text dot substring, then apply the formula of the index, text dot index of, and here we are pass the value into the integer, pass the rt dot to string. Okay, then we are using dot. Okay, here we need to pass the split, and we need to split from the dot and then c, and in zero index we have get the output of the our file. So just click and run it. So firstly we are get the output of the start index of rt, and then we are get the output of the file name. So today's agenda is completed, so you can see this video and try to take more knowledge about the vb.net data string manipulation. How can we do that? So please subscribe my channel and like my video, and I am already late to make the video related to the RE framework. But don't worry, I am doing the work on the RE framework, and as soon as you can see the video about the RE framework. So please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you everyone.